How to invite your friends on your Roblox private server. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to invite your friends on your private server made on Roblox. So without delaying any further, let's get started. Inviting friends to your Roblox private server has made easy. So first thing first, let's talk about how you can invite your friends to your private server. It's actually quite simple. All you need is to have a private server, of course, and then follow a few easy steps. Head over to the games page where your server is, click on the servers tab and find your server. You should see an invite friends option, click it and you will get a list of your Roblox friends. Just click on the names you want to add and follow. They'll get an invite to join your server. Remember, you can only invite friends you are connected with on Roblox. So in this very simple way, you could invite your friends to your private server. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.